Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Foot plus ball, football. N plus jury, injury. Football injury. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Please join me in welcoming back our returning champion, the young lady on my left. Her name is Stephanie Schnabel, and on yesterday's program, she won $5,205 in prizes. And she would like to win some more today.
That's right. And she's ready to go.
Because this young lady is moving back to the East to major in?
I'm going to get my MBA.
MBA. Master's in Business Administration.
Yes.
Business. You're a big winner so far. Let's see if you can keep it going today against this newcomer. His name is Joe Arnold. Hello,
Hi.
Joe.
Hi, how are you, Alex?
I'm all right. Where are you from?
I was born in Houston, Texas, but my father was in the Air Force, so I grew up in Germany and Greece and all over the world. So I guess, I don't know. When I'm overseas, I say Phoenix, Arizona. When I'm here, I say Frankfurt, Germany. So
Good for you. I like your earring, too.
Thank you.
Kind of a free spirit, right? Good luck. Take a look over here. Good prize.
To help keep you fit and trim, this Concord 300 GX provides a home gym system with heavy-duty rollers and 220-pound weights, furnished by California Gym Equipment Company.
220-pound weights. Marjorie has no weight. The only weight Marjorie was lifting was the weight of the cables. Oy, 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 oy. No wonder she's making faces. Stephanie and Joe, check out the board. Here's where you're going to find the exercise equipment. The home gym is at number 5, and we have a holiday on the Isle of St. Thomas. Obviously, the Virgin Islands. And Joe, you go first, please.
I had a pen pal from there once. Okay, well, let's go with my favorite, number 14.
Ping pong set.
Okay, and let's try to find the match or the wild card under number 6.
No limited edition artwork. Stephanie?
Okay, I always like to start with my lucky number 13.
Why is it your lucky number? Red take.
Why not? Match it with number 15.
Good, that's what I like. A well-thought-out response. Wild card, the red take, the other one?
All right.
At number 17. So it's your
Okay.
lucky number because there was a wild card that went in conjunction with the take. And you knew it was all there.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 25.
200 California lottery tickets.
Great. What about under number 1?
What about number 1? The Isle of St. Thomas. Now we know where part of the vacation is, and Joe has an opportunity to find the other half.
Okay, well, let's go with toss the top at number 4.
Wild card.
And I'd really like to go to St. Thomas under number 1.
Number 1, St. Thomas. The other holiday on the Isle of St. Thomas is at number 8. Now, if you won this trip, would you be able to visit your friend there? Is he still there?
No. We stopped writing a couple of years ago, and I don't know what happened to her.
Well, you could just drop in unannounced.
Exactly.
Some people like that.
I'd like to.
Oh, okay. Let's open these 3 panels. Gene, I'm about to demonstrate how bright I am. Watch this. This is why they pay me the big bucks. Joe, you're single, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, okay. Figured. Pick 2 more numbers.
Okay, let's go for, let's try number 11.
CD player.
Oh, that'd be great. Mine's on the fritz. So let's go up to number 22.
Gold pencil and pen set. No match. Stephanie?
Okay, let's try number 18.
CD player.
Let's look under number 11 for the match.
CD player. Now, Stephanie, although it's very early in the game, there isn't that much of the puzzle showing, you happen to be in possession of a very valuable red take, and Joe is in possession of a very
I'm going to save it.
nice holiday on the Isle of St. Thomas.
I'm going to save it.
Okay. Put it
Okay.
back, then.
Thank you.
That's what I'm supposed to do. Put it back. If they don't use it, put it back, Alex. Open these 2 panels. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 2.
Home gym.
Number 5 for the match.
Home gym. Yes.
Nope.
Put it back.
Oh, hold on to
Put it back. Open it up. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 20.
Silver punch bowl set.
Haven't seen that yet, but let's try number 22.
Gold pencil and pen set. Joe?
Okay, let's go up to number 10.
Green take.
Let's see, I don't think we've seen number 21.
Silver punch bowl set. No match.
Okay, let's try for that under number 20.
Correct.
And match under number 21.
20 and 21 is a match. I'm not even picking it up. I'm just stroking it, just to
Save
remind
it.
you.
Thank you.
Save it.
Saving it.
Okay, open it up. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Limited edition artwork.
Seem to recall having seen that. Let's try number 12.
12. Diamond and gold ring. 2 possible matches now for Joe.
Oh, geez, I don't know where I was at. Let's try number 9.
You were in Frankfurt, you said. 200 California lottery tickets.
And let's match that up at number 25.
That is correct. Prize for Joe. 2 doors opening for Joe. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 24.
Green take.
And let's try for the match up at number 6.
Limited edition artwork.
Okay,
Stephanie?
let's look under number 19.
Limited edition
And
artwork?
under number 6 for the match.
Right. I touch it. I hold it. I pick it up.
Hold it.
I put it down.
Okay, thank you.
I open 2 doors for you. Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 10.
Green take.
We see that under number 24.
Green take, yes. I pick it up. I hold it. I show it to you. I ask you.
Okay, we'll take St. Thomas.
Might as well take it.
Did you see that, folks? She says, we'll take St. Thomas. Like,
Oh, I'm
like
excited
we're
about-
pushing off some terrible ordeal on this young
No,
lady.
not complaining. Trust
All
me.
right, St. Thomas Holidays over there. Open these 2 panels for Stephanie. Pick again.
Okay, what about under number 14?
Ping pong set. We still have a wild card on the board.
What about under number 12?
What about 12? Diamond gold ring. Joe.
Okay, let's see what's under number 7.
Gold pencil and
And
pen.
number 22.
Gold pencil and pen set. Yes. Not much at stake for you in terms of prizes, Joe, but
That's quite all right.
a chance to play for a brand new car if you solve the puzzle. All right, the odds are in your favor, of course. There is the wild card to help you.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Diamond gold ring.
And was that behind number 14?
Ping pong set. Stephanie.
Okay, let's check under number 23.
Diamond and gold
Number
ring.
12 for the match.
Diamond and gold ring. Take.
I'll take the lottery tickets.
But you might. Lottery tickets going over to Stephanie's column as well. These 2 panels opening up. The diamond and gold ring going into her column. 3, 14, and 16. The wild card, the ping pong set. That too will be hers to keep if she can solve this puzzle.
Not a ghost of a chance.
Not a ghost of a chance, but Stephanie has a chance. Come on, Stephanie. Well done.
Okay, we start with the knot. And so for not egg plus a guest, not a guest.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hey,
Does this
chance.
look like a guest? The arrows are
Alex.
pointing at him. What does it say here? It says game show.
Game show.
What do you think that guy does on the game show? What do I do on this show?
I often wonder myself. Can I still try for the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Explain the puzzle. It's a host.
Not-
Game show host.
Okay. Not egg host. Off a chance. Not a ghost of a chance.
Okay, for those of you who don't wonder what I do, I say things like, Joe, you've got your first strike against you, and that means you'll be back to play in the next game. We'll see you in that one.
Be there.
Meanwhile, I stand here with Stephanie, who likes to insult me. And I just stand here while she hears about all these wonderful things. Gene.
200 California lottery tickets, a ping pong set, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a ping pong set or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and limited edition artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's notable limited edition serograph, Inner World by Susan Rios. It's numbered and hand signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries, and a CD player. This CD player lets you randomly select up to 20 choices on this compact disc player with 19-key wireless remote control, and a silver punch bowl set, superbly crafted and plated with pure silver. This Wallace 15-piece punch set may add beauty and elegance to any occasion, furnished by Wallace Silversmiths, and a diamond gold ring, authentic Black Hills gold, part of South Dakota Gold Company's jewelry collection. This 3-diamond ring in hues of rose, green, and yellow gold, crafted in the distinctive tricolor design, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company, and the Isle of St. Thomas. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, a while in flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Point Pleasant Resort, the Virgin Islands Sanctuary of Beauty, in luxurious accommodations overlooking aquamarine waters that invite you to sail, swim, and snorkel. Pools and private beaches await, furnished by Point Pleasant Resort. And, of course, the sporty home gym. And, Stephanie, you have prizes worth $8,112. But there's not a chance you're going to get the money after what you did to Alex.
Yeah. You know, while Gene was talking about the prizes, Stephanie turned to me and said, "You didn't mind, did you?" Well, I did mind. And it'll probably take me at least a minute to get over it. Stephanie and I are okay now. We've made up. 15 numbered squares for you, Stephanie. 45 seconds on the clock. Win a car. Good luck.
1, 2.
No.
3, 6.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
4, 8.
Yes.
9, 12.
No.
6, 12.
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
2, 11.
No.
2, 10.
Yes.
3, 11.
No.
13, 14.
No.
11, 14.
No.
7, 15.
No.
7, 9.
No.
9, 14.
Yes.
11, 13.
No.
7, 11.
No.
1, 11.
Yes.
5, 3.
No.
5, 15.
Darn, you were cruising along so beautifully. However, you've got $13,317 in game number 2 coming up after this.
I love my work caring.
For some reason, that first game took a long time, so we're going to give our 2 players a running head start in this one. First, we're going to show them one of the prizes.
This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
Great prize, and it can be found on the board hiding behind number 14. This is the second game, so we've got the bonus seconds, $500 in the cash pot, a Lake Tahoe escape. Joe, you get to pick first, but to start you off, as I said, we'll give you a head start by revealing 2 of our squares. Number 10 and number 20. Now, you select 2.
Okay, let's go with number 4.
4 is a dishwasher.
And let's try to match that or with a wild card into number 12.
Wild card, and so the dishwasher's going into Joe's column. The other dishwasher, number 25. Open it up, please. Pick again, Joe.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 16.
5 bonus seconds.
That'd be great. And let's try to match that up under number 19.
Wild card again. Oh, boy. The other bonus seconds at number 15. And so a lot of that right side of the puzzle will be visible. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 2.
Electric guitar with case.
Okay, and let's try to match that up under number 17.
Wild card again. Well, Okay, it's nice to have wild cards there because Joe needs them. He uses them on every selection. The electric guitar with case natural match would have occurred at number 6. 3 doors opening up.
Is it Hit the Showers?
Is it Hit the Showers? No, it is not. You select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 8.
Grandfather Clock.
And the match was number 14.
14, yes. All right, an important game for Joe. He's got the strike against him. He must win this one. Open these panels for him.
Is it Hit the Books?
Hit the books, he says. And he won't have to hit the books. He's won a game. And some good prizes. Come on, Joe. Well done. You were relentless in that one.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Okay, here we have what he's going to do. He's going to hit plus the plus the book and the hooks for Hit the Books.
Hit the books. Fast solution on your part. And a nice win. You've just handed Stephanie her first strike only, and that means she'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you then.
And I won't make fun of you then.
Oh,
so
that's okay.
sorry
You can do that as often as you like. I enjoy it. We'll see you, Stephanie. Joe, some good prizes for you. Take a look over here, and Gene will tell you about them.
A dishwasher, Gibson's portable dishwasher featuring 3 levels of washing action, radiant heat drying, and a self-cleaning soil separator furnished by Gibson, and an electric guitar with case. Gibson's Epiphone Les Paul standard electric guitar is a rock and roll rocket, quality in every detail, and designed for high-powered performance, furnished by Gibson USA. And of course, the handsome grandfather clock and the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes totaling $3,463.
Nice win to start you off, Joe. And when we come back, we'll see if you can win a brand new car. Right after this. Well, this is your first time in the winner's circle, and I'm going to run down the list of cars for you. But first, we have Marjorie with this important message for all of our viewers.
Thanks, Alex. If you would like to try out for classic concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. Back to Alex.
Great number. What a great number. All right. I'll show you some great cars. On the bottom shelf, we have your basic All-America type Honda Civic, followed by the Volkswagen Fox, the Hyundai Excel, the Nissan Sentra, the Geo Tracker, the Suzuki Swift, the Subaru Justy, and right at the top, the Ford Festiva. Good selection of automobiles for you, Joe. Right. It's going to be a little tough because you're dealing with base time, but you did pick up the bonus seconds. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. 35 seconds is base time, as you know, but we add the 5 bonus seconds, so you're working with a full 40. Good luck. Go to work.
1-4.
No.
7-10.
No.
13-2.
No.
1-2.
No.
4-2.
No.
7-2.
No.
5-8.
No.
1-8.
No.
2-8.
No.
11-3.
No.
10-3.
No.
10-2.
Yes.
6-9. 3-6.
No.
8-3.
No.
Wow. 14-12.
Fun and games, huh?
Oh, man, that's not nice.
You know, the strange thing about your selection process there was that you went 1-2, 4-2, 7-2, and you stopped right there when you were about to match the Justy with the 10-2, and then you picked it up a little later. However, it didn't work out all that well for you. Nevertheless, you still have $3,463 in prizes, and you're going on. We're going to take a break. Gene, tell us about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive this advanced Sanyo telephone answering system with multi-function tone remote. Features digital time and day voice stamp, call screening, two-way record, and much, much more. Furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Poor Joe didn't win the car, and he's standing here looking at a list of some of the prizes he's won, and he's wondering, he says, I've got a dishwasher, I've got a grandfather clock, and I have no place to use them. Where do you live now?
I live in a town called Sierra Madre, which is a little suburb of Pasadena. And
You have no room for a grandfather clock?
a very small 2-bedroom apartment, but we'll see.
You also won an electric guitar. You going to be able to use that?
Yeah, we have very thin walls. I can wake up my neighbors.
Are you good at playing the guitar?
No, I play drums, actually.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Well, we might have some drums on the program next time out. Okay. Thank you for tuning us in today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you all again tomorrow on Classic Concentration.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration. A Mark Goodson television production.